if you're on your mobile device, go to www.CasterHQ.com. You're going to end up at this screen. Now, the website doesn't look very mobile friendly, but if you actually click on the left-hand side, the 3 horizontal bars right here on the left-hand side, top left, it's going to expand our menu, and that's where you want to be able to find your products a lot easier on a mobile device. On a PC, you don't have to worry about that. This is already expanded. It's a lot easier to find our products on a PC. But on your mobile device, go ahead and click this on the top left. It'll expand this, and then you can find your products by your specifications. So if it's a plate caster, for example, you're trying to replace, right here it shows the overall plate size, 2 3/8 by 3 5/8. This is a very common plate size for light duty, smaller plates that are on a lot of the pieces of equipment. If it's a larger caster, let's say a 2-inch tread width caster, the most common plate size is 4 by 4 1/2. So go ahead and click that one. Find the wheel material that you prefer. For now, we'll just go phenolic. Let's say the diameter of your wheel is 6-inch. And then once that loads, you can just scroll down. You can see the drawing of the plate size. Watch a video on the material of the wheel to kind of explain the characteristics of the wheel. Read about it a little bit. Mounting hardware, we sell that as well right there if you need mounting hardware. But if you already have casters you're just replacing, you can just reuse the hardware most of the time. Anyways, find the caster you're looking for, whether you just want to order a rigid, a swivel, or different types of configurations. Once you find what you're looking for, click on the product itself. It's going to bring up the full product page, and that's where you can add different options: mounting hardware, different types of brake kits, swivel locks. If you don't want any of that, you just want the plain swivel, that's fine. You can see the description here, and then you can also see technical specs, which gives you the overall height, the capacity, temperature range, the hardness of the wheel, the swivel radius. Pretty much everything you need to know is on here. The type of bearing. And then click here, view quantity discounts. This is a feature I really want to show you guys. So if you click view quantity discounts, this will show you, based on the quantity you order, what discount will be automatically applied to your cart at checkout, which is pretty cool. So for example, I will type in 25 pieces, add to cart, and then we'll go to cart. I guess I already had one in there, and you can see I already have a discount now. A quantity discount of $29.11, and then I had a coupon code for 10% off, which was save 10. That took another $55 off. So as you can tell, quite a bit of savings just from ordering larger quantities at a time if you need that. And I also have additional coupons that I applied that you can combine. And then there's a lot of payment methods. You can either choose Amazon Pay, PayPal, Venmo, Pay Later, which you can do like either just completely pay later, or you can do 4 inches free payments with PayPal. Or if you want to use your credit card, click proceed to checkout, fill out your information here, go to continue, and then you can just enter your regular credit card information. So we have a lot of different options to make it really easy for you, depending on how you want to pay for your purchase order. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful on kind of showing you how to use our website on your mobile device. If you have any questions, just comment below, and I'll be happy to answer them all.